check mark in front of your name if you understand this problem. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next one. You're going to write the equation of the line that's passing through these points. So in this, y is equal to mx plus b. We're going to start with y is equal to mx plus b. So I have to know what the slope is and what the y-intercept is in order to write the equation of the line. The slope should be pretty simple. We put on the formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, we're going to call these points point 1 and point 2 and then label them. So if I call them point 1, the first one, this would be x1, this would be y1, this would be x2, this would be y2. And then if I substitute those here, y2 would be equal to 5 minus y1 is equal to 0, x2 would be equal to 1, and then x1 would be equal to negative 6. So the slope would be equal to 5 over 1 plus 6, which is 5 over 7. So it looks like either this is the correct answer, and that's only one, the slope being 5 over 7. Now, to find the y-intercept, which is the b is the y-intercept. Can somebody tell me how to find the y-intercept? Those of you reviewed that. Anybody with the mic?
At x equals 0.
Okay, now just give me the steps, basically. How do you find the y-intercepts? Not the answer.
You can just plug one of the points in and solve for b.
Very good. So you pick one of those points, which is negative. I like this one has 0 in there. I call this point P, so that would be x, that would be y, and plug it right in here. So y would be equal to 0. X, we already know is 5 over 7. X is negative 6 over 1, and then solve for b. So if I do that, that give me minus 30 over 7 plus b in the side. So b would be equal to minus 30 over plus 30 over 7, and looks like that is the case. Now in this case, when I find the slope, if this were a problem from in the final exam, once you find the slope being 5 over 7 and look at all these choices here, the only one with the slope of 5 over 7 would be b. So you could select that one as being the correct answer because all the other ones have a different slope, and that should be the right answer. So you could save time, and then you could come back and look for y-intercept to make sure that this is the right one. So that this would be a little trick that you can use to move on to that. Now I see Marine said the chat here. It says that a y is equal to minus 10. Y doesn't pass through 9 if it is horizontal. I think you're referring to the different problems here. I think you're talking about this one here, right? Y is equal to minus 10, and it says y doesn't pass through 9. Okay, so because they're giving you x is equal to minus 9, y is equal to negative 10. So if you locate this point, x equal to minus 9, y is equal to negative 10. So this would be the point right there. And then since it's horizontally, I draw the horizontal line through it, like that. So that would be the horizontal line. So I'm not sure what you're asking. Is that clear? You will respond by chatting there, or if you still have a problem, let me know. Okay, Eric, if you're there, I want to put a check mark in front of your name. I see some of you are not responding. John Kong, if you're there, I want to put a check mark, quell. Also, okay, those of you who know, okay, let me clear all the check mark once again. Can you put the check mark in front of your name if you follow this problem here, so we can move on?